prep with me. Today I'm making the protein overnight oats that I have when I go to work as a nurse for a 12-hour shift. They hold me over from 5 a.m. all the way until lunchtime. Okay, so we're starting off with half a cup of oats. I got these at Aldi, so it's super budget friendly. Half a cup going in. And then I'm gonna add 2 scoops of chocolate protein. This particular one is a dairy-free protein. And I prefer dairy-free protein, especially right before my period, because it's actually better for your hormones and balancing, and it decreases your breakouts if you decrease your intake of dairy before your period. So, free tip. Okay, next up, I'm just going to mix the protein in kind of with the oats before I put the milk over it. Okay, so now that that's mixed, I'm gonna add 3/4 cup of organic almond milk. 3/4 cup going in. And then I'm just gonna take a minute to mix all of this together and like get all the clumps of the protein out. Next up, I'm adding peanut butter. So good. So I add about 1.5 tablespoons of peanut butter. So yummy. And then I do a little bit of honey. It just adds like to the sweetness of it. Da, da, da. And then the last thing is I'm going to put my chocolate fat blaster on top, just a little bit. I'm gonna try not to like dump the whole thing. So 1 tablespoon of this a day actually helps to inhibit fat storage and shrink fat cells. So I like to incorporate it into my meals, or I'll just take 1 tablespoon of it a day. And I do have a $10 off coupon linked in my bio with this. This is what it looks like. So in the morning, I will just put this in the microwave for a minute and I eat it just like that with a spoon before work, and I swear it holds me over. So if you're looking for an easy meal prep, then definitely try this. I have the protein and the fat blaster linked in my bio for you with the $10 off coupon.